Friends, we have already learned the 16 lines of the poem, the bedtime, lesson 8. So I hope you have completed reading the poem and memorized the 8 lines of the poem. Okay, today we shall continue with the poem. Do you remember the poem? What we have explanation of the poem? So, I will explain just a little bit to you so that you may memorize what we have explained in the previous class. The poem Bedtime reminds us how we prepare ourselves to go for a good night's sleep. Okay? And in the poem we see that it is an evening, the sun has set and the birds are going to their nests to play with the children and to take rest, and they are telling that to the little people, dear people, it is time to go to bed. And also we see the next stanza, we see all the flowers. How many flowers we are seeing here? The prime rose, red rose, and daisy, all are buried in sleep. Okay, all are in deep sleep, and they are closed for the night. And red rose have already slept, and they says that it is says to the little people, dear people, it is time to go to sleep. So now we shall read the third stanza of the poem. The butterfly drowsy has folded its wings. The bees are returning. No more the bird sings. Their day's work is over. Their nestling are fed. It's time, little people, we are going to bed. The butterfly drowsy. Drowsy means feel sleepy. The meaning of drowsy is feel sleepy. Has folded. Folded means to close its wings. So the butterfly is feeling so sleepy. Because of that, it has already folded its wings. The bees are returning. No more the bird sings. The bees are returning back from the day's work to take rest at home. So bees are returning from the work and coming back to their homes. No more bird sings. So the birds are all tired, the full day's work, and they all are returning back to their home. And now the birds are not singing. They are tired and they are going for sleep. Their day's work is over. Their nestling are fed. What's the meaning of nestling? Nestling means young bird living in nest. Okay. So the nestlings, the young ones are already fed. Young ones, they have given already the food and they are going to take rest. It's time, little people, we are going to bed. Who is telling this? The butterfly, the birds are telling that it is time, little people, we are going to bed. So the last stanza of the poem. Good night, little people. Good night, little ones. Sweet dreams to your eyelids. Till morning light dawns. The evening has come. There is no more to be said. It's time, little people, we are going to bed. Okay, so here it is telling the birds, the flowers, the butterflies, all these are telling to the little people good night. They are saying good night to the people. Good night, little people. Good night, little ones. Sweet dreams to your eyelid. They are saying good night to the little people. So sweet dream and saying good night and wishing them sweet dreams. Till morning light dawns. Dawns means the beginning of the day. Okay, till the morning we are going to sleep. We will see you in the next morning. There is no more to be said. It is time, little people, we are going to bed. The evening has come. The evening has come. Now the sun has set. The evening has come. And it is time, little people, we are going to bed. That is the last line of the poem. So here, what is the explanation of the poem is that the last two stanzas of the explanation. All the birds and insects have come back after the day's work. So the full day they are working, and at the last, after day's labor, they have come back to their homes to feed their young ones, and now they are getting ready to go to sleep. So they are wishing the little people. Okay, they are wishing the little people. They are saying that it's time, it's already late, that we are wishing you. And the poet tells us, good night to all the small children. So they are wishing all the small children good night and sweet dreams till it is morning. Okay, that is the explanation of the poem. I hope you like the poem. And you have to learn the 8 lines of the poem. First 8 lines of the poem, and write it down in your copy, the poem, and also the word power which is written here. You can also take the textbook on page 47. The word power is there. Rook. What is the meaning of rook? Rook, the meaning is a crow. Slumber. Slumber means sleep. Drowsy. Drowsy means feel sleepy. Nestling. Nestling means young bird living in nest. Okay. Dawn. Dawn means the beginning of the day. Dawn means the beginning of the day. That's all, dear students, today. And learn the word meaning and learning the poem. Thank you, students, for listening.